Hi, today we're going to be demonstrating how to make a diamond cut on a mat. Now what I've done just to save on mats is I put a piece of paper on here, and we're not going to really use a blade, we're going to use a pen. So, cut. So depending on how the mat cutter is left, last time somebody used it, you may need to install some pieces. First, this is the hot mat guide, and this item right here comes off. And the way that you install it is the doors on this end of the set screw on this end. And so you just really quickly do that set screw. That little set screw goes over there. And then the top one keeps right in here. And you can see there's a blue right there. So what you want to do is you want to go through we're going to use is the diamond angle cutter. Okay, and you can tell the difference between there's three angle cutters that we have here right now. There's the diamond angle cutter, the 6-side, and this is called the 8-side angle cutter. There are some instruction manuals that you can read over that will talk about these different cutters. But you can see here's the diamond, here's the 6 cut, here's the 8 or the 6-sided and the 8-sided, and right now we're going to go through the diamond cut. Okay. So once we get those out of the way here, once we've got our guide in place, we can go ahead and set the 6th piece down on top of the diamond cutter angle down on top of it, and get that into place. And so your first step is that you're going to take the long side of your mat and you're going to put it up against the top side of the cutter or of the guide. Now one of the things you need to watch is you need to make sure you put some pressure on this. And there's a hole right here where you can see that the corner is just perfectly in place. So your corner is in place up against that top side. And once again, I'm using a pin, not the blade, so I'm not too worried about overcuts. But if I was, I would mark this out ahead of time. But we basically are going to make a cut like that right there. Okay. Then we're going to flip it over. The long side again goes onto the top side. Once again, put some pressure on here. Make sure your angle is just right. And we would make a cut once again just like that right there. Once again, we'd have that marked out so we don't do our overcuts. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to use the bottom guide, and we're going to make sure that that angle is right there in place again. Okay, and we would make our cut right here. Flip it over, make sure you got the pressure down there, get it right there on the guide. Oh, off a little bit. Gotta watch that corner right there in the hole. Get that down. And this would be my last cut. Now, if this was a real mat, obviously we would do this a whole different way with the cutter and everything. But you can see that now the cutout piece is in a diamond shape. So if this mat was for real, we would flip it over, and on the back side would be this nice diamond shaped cut with a bevel groove around it.